This is Swami. Welcome to Code by Swami. In the previous video, we discussed about annotation approach related annotations and ways to implement annotation approach based application. In this video, we can see both the XML and Java configurations to achieve annotation approach based applications. Just we need to add one tag in the XML file, that is context colon component scan base package is equal to some package in the XML file. Coming to Java configuration, we need to add at the rate component scan base package is equal to some package annotation along with at the rate configuration annotation. That's it. Let's move to Eclipse IDE to implement XML based application first. After that, we'll see Java configuration. Let's move. File, new Maven project. Click here. Next, give the package name com.code by Swami. I'm giving the project name is 03 annotation based XML application. I'm giving annotation based XML application. I'm giving the version 1.0. Click finish. Go to browser, mvnrepository.com. Click on this link. Search with Spring context. Enter. Click on 5.3.13. Is the latest version. Copy the dependency and open the pvm.xml. Add the dependencies tag. Dependencies. Inside that, paste this dependency. Go to the browser. Maven compiler plugin Java 8. Click here. Copy the properties tag along with the complete data. Paste above the dependencies tag. Control EIS to align the code. See, right click on the project, Maven update project, force update a snapshot. Click OK. Right click on the src main Java, create the class. Here I am creating one class called company. I am creating one class com.code by Swami. I am writing beans. Next, I am defining some properties like private integer CMP ID, private string CMP name, private double CMP profit. I am taking like this. See, now I am performing setter injection. Alt Shift SO, deselect all, generate for the default constructor. Alt Shift SR, select all, generate for the setters and getters. Alt Shift SS, generate for the toString method. Now this time I am writing at the rate component annotation, at the rate component annotation on top of the class. This is stereotype annotation. Already we discussed in the previous video. Yes, I am ready with the bean class. Next, go to src main resources. In that, create XML files. Spring Bean configuration file I am creating. Beans.xml file. Click next. Choose beans context. Next, finish. Already beans.xml file has been created along with the schema. Here just I am doing context colon component scan I'm giving just to base package. My base package is calm.code by Swami. Calm.code by just this one line code is enough. One line tag is enough in the pin.xml to get to achieve annotation based application. Yes, I am ready with these two files. Now I am creating main class, test class to start with the to start IOC. File new class. I am writing on test class, test or main, whatever it may be. I am writing main method here. This time I am writing annotation related, right? For that annotation related, but still I am using XML approach. For that I am using class path, new class path, XML application context. I am writing beans.xml. Beans.xml, it returns application context. It returns application context. Context dot get bean. Context dot get bean company dot class returns company object. This time I want to set the data company dot set cmp id. I'm giving some id. Company dot set a name. I'm giving some name called Suzuki. Assume company dot set profit. For example, 5,600 crores. Assume like that. Sysout company. Let's run the application as of now. Let's run the application. See, here the objects are injected, means the data is there. Now I have done this with the XML approach. Same file, I can do same thing using Java configuration this time. What I am doing for that, just to I am copy paste while creating new application, means it will take some time. For that I am doing like that. For this time annotation based here Java config app, enter. Already this time beans.xml file not required. Already we have beans class, same like previous, but this time there is no XML file required. For that I am writing one configuration class, Java configuration class. For that I am writing config app config. I am writing on top of it. I am writing at the rate configuration, at the rate configuration. Still we are not yet discussed this. We'll see this also. At the rate component scan base package is com dot code by Swami. Code by Swami. Here this component scan detects the classes which are available in this base package, like that. Yes, I am ready with Java configuration file also there. Already bean class there, configuration class is also ready. Go to the test class. This time this new class path XML file and this bean class is not required. For that I am commenting this. I am creating new annotation config application context, annotation config application context of config.class returns context application context. Just run the application. See, here I am not taking XML file this time. If you want, I am delete this file. Yes, I deleted that. Let's run the application one more time. Yes, the data is injected here. Here we achieved annotation configuration based application using XML file as well as Java configuration file. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. If you like my content, please do subscribe.